Hi children, last class we learned about the sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere reserves, etc. In this lesson we studied about the deforestation. What is deforestation? The cutting of plants and trees. The land is used for various purposes. That is deforestation. And some of the natural causes are forest fire and severe droughts. What are the consequences of deforestation? It increases in the temperature in atmosphere, that is global warming, and pollution, pollution of the environment, and soil erosion. Then it also disturbs the balance in nature. There are severe consequences in deforestation process. The sanctuaries, biosphere reserves and national parks are the areas for the conservation and protection of forest and wildlife. The plants and animals are found in particular area called flora and fauna. Flora is the some special type of plants. Flora is the plants. Flora is the plants and fauna is the animals. Okay, the plants and animals are called flora and fauna. Then, what is endemic species? Endemic species. The endemic species are those species which are found only in a particular area called endemic species. Some of the plants and animals or flora and fauna are seen to only one particular place or particular area. We can see that some of the plants and animals in only particular area or particular place called endemic species. Do you know the examples of endemic species? Yes. Giant squirrel and wild mango are the examples of endemic species. What is endemic species? The species, some of the species, those who are found in only particular area. The endemic species are the species of plants and animals are found in only particular area called endemic species. Example, giant squirrel and wild mango. Okay. Do you know what is the difference between wildlife sanctuary and zoo? Anybody visit one zoo? And Trivandrum have one zoo? Yes. Zoo is creating artificial habitat. It is created one artificial habitat, zoo, and it is protected some of the animals. For zoo is created one artificial habitat. Then wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary, animals and plants are protecting their natural habitat. There are the mainly two differences between the wildlife sanctuary and zoo. For zoo is an artificial habitat. It created one artificial atmosphere, forest atmosphere, and it protects some of the wild animals. At the same time, wildlife sanctuary, it is protected wildlife. It protected animals from their natural habitat. Okay, dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. It's a very simple lesson. If you have any doubt, you call me. Today we are studying flora and fauna. What is flora and fauna? The plants and animals are called flora and fauna. Then endemic species. Some of the species which are found only in a particular area called endemic species. Then next we studied wildlife sanctuary and zoo. Wildlife sanctuary protect the animals from their natural habitat, and zoo is created one artificial habitat. It creates one habitat. Okay, dear children, the next class we will meet again. Thank you.